Hi there, this is Weblium. For the first time in 7 years, we're updating our pricing plans, and there's a lot to share. In this video, you'll learn about our new plans, the key changes, and most importantly, how to choose the right plan for your needs while locking in the best pricing. Stay until the end so you don't miss anything. Weblium now offers 3 pricing plans: free, starter, and business, as well as a free trial. Let's take a quick look at each one. Every new website automatically starts with a 14-day trial that gives you access to business features. No credit card is required. This gives you the opportunity to explore the platform and prepare your website before purchasing a subscription. If you purchase a paid subscription during the trial, you'll receive a bonus: 10 extra days with a monthly subscription or 40 extra days with an annual subscription. If you don't purchase a subscription during the trial, your website will automatically switch to the free plan. Free is our free plan, designed for simple landing pages and portfolio websites. Create websites with up to 3 pages and publish them on a weblium.site subdomain. Hosting and an SSL certificate are included at no extra cost. Choose from over 300 professionally designed templates. Customize them with ready-made design blocks. Upload your own icons, fonts, and images, or use our built-in media libraries. You can also work with Evo, our AI assistant, to structure your website, highlight your business strengths, and even generate content for your social media. And if you ever need help, our support team is available via live chat 24/7. Free is a completely free plan. New websites on free remain available to visitors for 60 days. If you don't upgrade to a paid plan during this period, your website will be unpublished. Your website data will be stored for another 60 days before being permanently deleted. To restore your website, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. If you're already using the free plan, upgrade to any annual paid plan at the current price by September 2nd, 2026 to keep your website online and unlock additional features. After this date, free websites will become unavailable to visitors. Their data will remain available for 60 days before being permanently deleted. One of the biggest updates is our brand new starter plan. Previously, Weblium offered only 2 plans: free and pro. Starter is a new option designed for businesses that need more than a basic website but don't require a full online store. Starter includes everything available in free, plus features for growing your business and generating leads. Connect your own domain, improve your visibility in Google with SEO tools, and build websites with up to 10 pages. Add contact forms, calculators, and quizzes to automate lead generation and customer communication. Use FlexBlock and custom code to create unique layouts, and connect integrations such as analytics, CRM systems, and live chat tools to streamline your workflow. Starter costs $132 per year, just $11 per month when billed annually. If you choose monthly billing, Starter costs $16 per month, or $192 per year. Business is Weblium's most powerful plan, built for large business websites, catalogs, and online stores. It includes everything in Starter while allowing you to create projects with up to 500 pages. Sell physical and digital products, configure shipping options, and accept online payments. Grow your blog, build multilingual websites under a single domain, automate customer emails directly in Weblium, and easily import or export product catalogs between platforms. Business costs $210 per year, just $17.50 per month when billed annually. If you choose monthly billing, business costs $25 per month, or $300 per year. Can you switch to the new plans while keeping the current pricing? Yes. Purchase an annual subscription before September 2nd, 2026, and we'll keep your current price while automatically activating your new plan after your existing subscription expires. This way, you'll lock in the best pricing for another year without having to worry about upgrading later. If you manage multiple websites, consider our bundles for 5, 10, or 15 websites. The more websites you include, the lower the average price per website, saving you up to 40% compared to purchasing individual plans. Want to learn more or compare all plans side by side? Visit weblium.com/pricing or scan the QR code on your screen. Thank you for choosing Weblium.